Hello, my friend. Welcome to A1 English podcast. This is not just a podcast. This is your time, your safe space, your journey to learn, grow, and shine. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever dreamed of speaking English with confidence, to understand people, to connect, to feel free? Yes, then you are in the right place, because today we begin together. My name is Ruby, and I am very happy, so happy that you are here. In this podcast, I will speak slowly. I will speak clearly, step by step. You can follow me. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes are part of learning. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to try, listen, repeat, practice, smile. That is the secret. Many people think learning English is too hard. They believe it takes many hours. They think they must go to London or New York. But that is not true. You don't need a ticket. You don't need to move. You don't need big grammar books every day. What you need are small steps, simple steps, steps you can do every single day. 5 minutes today, 10 minutes tomorrow, little by little. Your English grows, like a seed grows into a tree. In this episode, we use easy words, short sentences, clear ideas, so you can feel calm, so you can feel safe, so you can feel ready to speak English. And today, I will show you one powerful method. It is simple. It is natural. It is called shadowing. Maybe this word is new for you. Maybe not. Don't worry. I will explain. I will guide you. So now take a breath, relax, smile, and get ready. Because today, you begin a new step, a new sound, a new English journey. Let's talk about shadowing. Shadowing is easy, but powerful. It means listen and copy, speak, and follow the sound like a shadow. You follow the rhythm, the voice. You don't need to understand every word. You don't need to translate. You only need to listen and try. Let's start with simple sentences. I will say them, then you repeat. I want to speak English fluently. Now you. I want to speak English fluently. I listen to English every day. I listen to English every day. Shadowing helps me speak better. Now you. Shadowing helps me speak better. That's it. That's shadowing. At first, it feels strange. Maybe you don't understand every word. That's okay. Shadowing is not about knowing all the words. It is about training your brain and your mouth to work together. It makes English feel natural. If you do this 5 minutes a day, you will speak faster, clearer, and more confident. Small habits, big results. Now, let's ask, how can you practice English every day? Many learners say, I want to learn, but I don't have time. I feel nervous when I speak. I don't know how to start. But listen, you don't need a lot of time. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need to wait for the right moment. You just need to begin. Here are 5 simple tips to practice English every day. Tip 1. Listen every day. This is the most important step. Even 5 minutes is enough. Listen when you walk. Listen when you cook. Listen when you wait for the bus. Repeat after me. I listen to English every day. Now you. I listen to English every day. English is part of my life. Now you. English is part of my life. Perfect. Tip 2. Speak out loud. Don't be shy. Don't keep English only in your head. Say it with your mouth. Say it with your voice. Even if you are alone. Example. I am drinking coffee. I am going to the market. I feel happy today. Now you repeat. I am drinking coffee. I am going to the market. I feel happy today. Good. That's real practice. Tip 3. Think in English. Don't translate. Just use simple English in your head. When you see the sky, say, "The sky is blue." When you feel hungry, say, "I want to eat." When you walk, say, "I am walking to the shop." Now practice with me. The sky is blue. I want to eat. I am walking to the shop. Excellent. Tip 4. Read and repeat. Read out loud, not silent. Out loud. This trains your eyes, your ears, your mouth. You don't need big books, just short, simple texts. Repeat after me. I like reading English stories. Reading out loud helps my speaking. I read a little every day. Perfect. Tip 5. Make it a habit. The secret is not big effort. The secret is small steps every day. 5 minutes of listening. 5 minutes of speaking. 5 minutes of reading. That's enough. Repeat after me. I practice English every day. Small steps make big progress. English is part of my life. Wonderful. So, remember, listen every day, speak out loud, think in English, read and repeat. Make it a habit. These steps are simple, but powerful. If you follow them every day, your English will become faster, clearer, and more confident. Don't wait. Don't stop. Start today. Start now. Your English will grow. Your confidence will grow. And one day you will say, "Wow, I can really speak English now." Keep going. Keep practicing. Never give up. You can do it. I believe in you. Thank you for joining me today. See you next time. And remember, practice English every single day.